just 1 minute. Na brabeshe video we. This is a video that happened over the weekend, Sunday. I was South Africa. Maybe we are say kono. When you say the Lord's Prayer, say some for the kingdom. Na example, akromfono omumu bia. I don't care about anybody, not you, not me. And it's so interesting. Very, very, very terrible and bad. Anke beye den and akromfo abawura nyame fie I saw them. And all of a sudden, omura obia na osofo a o preachi obia oye den everybody, they ambushed them at church and started dealing with them anyhow. I am just say a serious. A very, 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 very serious. Na baby a South Africa akwa kudu no. Me kai say Kumasi. Is it a pre area ho? All night during the, I think Christmas, yeah. I mean also for ni nyamema eye all night sa na kromfobu wura ho. Atosu here Church of Pentecost. If I'm not, either assemblies, yes. And also sa also for bonfire prayer tower for from na omo abo wura ho. Omo che sofo no eji ne hu sika nyina ko wura mission house. And this is where we're taking our lives to. The question I be saying and say, why are we here now? And it's so serious. Very, very, very serious. So we are near Maudwa Ekoso. Ane the nipa binum take advantage. So what at all is going on? Na osha robbery ya tio omo na also for the preachy organist na were chi ho a obo na organi. And on the way in no guso a obo na organ. Uguso obo na organ. Uguso obo na organ. And he just entered and started giving command. Roberts, I think one more share Facebook page, I think for moment, I think I see about they are about I think about 3 or so, and this is what we have there. They will just enter, tell you surrender, Bibia. Here we are. I'll show you a reporter, journalist for so yeah. On a quite the or a report. Live with TV so now from for now to the bottom. I just want to listen to what is going on. That's we need the ECOSO. Ghana's mission in South Africa at the statement about. Now listen to the message and also for preaching.
Oh yes, sir. Successful people in life. And what there are some key principles here on the Bobra. Na oh yes, sir.
Observe Mr. Wa Ebia Uni Facebook page. But ya kidnap one Ghanaian. I saw them whole. Just watch a result from your two bottom. Yeah, yes, I'm on it down. Now, just watch the Facebook page. Just a few minutes. I will get back to you. To what's the pa? So, Abu Ahano, not just say they are there. Also for the Butu pulpit, so now the entire congregation, and so Kwalano na Esu the Ebani say and Kwalano Huna Mane. Now, just say South Africa, oh South Africa, South Africa. Oh no, oh no. Now, observe it you almost buy no some bar pulpit in the so. Now, this is well just 1 minute. We are why a busy cry. Now, oh share said your boys need to two bottom. Yeah, far phone. Now, I don't know whether CCTV camera or a sorry camera now is this soft so now a record here from the holy pulpit. But we shall we are not just say it is just like okay. Sophie is giving instruction. Oh, God have mercy. God have mercy. Now, Abushanfo, Edu Sabriya, you ask, what happens as a man of God? Motivation being there in Cranshan and cultural members, because you are personally even a victim. You are a victim. I mean, what the one here to two of Butum, and this is a sad moment for everybody. Serious. It is so serious. But me worry and they say, maybe these people like this, they will repent. I dare ba kununu. But I repent. Now repent we are. Wow, we are kwa. And you are done. Just that. It's so bad. Very, 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 very bad. I only wish and pray. So one day, they will know what is going on. Now, let's deal with this thing. The robbery cases. When you the latest. Now, my statement now. For Ediaba. Okay, let me get a statement. So this is a statement one more at the buyer in respect to what has happened. The attention of the High Commission of the Republic of Ghana has been drawn to an incident in which members of the congregation of the Johannesburg branch of Ghana Church of Pentecost were robbed of their valuables at a gunpoint, and a deacon of the church kidnapped during the church service on 29th October 2023. The mission is presently working with the church in cooperation with the South African Police Service to ensure the speedy and safe release and return of the victim to his family. Kindly note that South Africa Police is fully focused on the matter and is working hard to ensure the safe return of our compatriot. Mission wishes to advise all members of the Ghanaian community to take necessary solutions to ensure safely and well-being. Mission will update the community on further development of this case. The Ghana Mission Kenya said, "Omo video Ghana sorry South Africa akrofo kobo wura ho na ekowie a wo mo toto wo mo botom je wo mo agya pade sesa wo mo ne ma nyina and wo mo ka nyina ne se ade a wo mo de to Ghana fo nyina nim se Ghana ni de hia wo mo fa no e de free dem ho no wo mo akidnap no Ghana embassy no ne South Africa police for akabum a omo hwe se ne esie ni nyina on betimi de owura no e de ababiem eno da nchen so a de omusan eka enyina ne se obia enka na koma ento ne yam na de ekoso ne de ebari nyina no ombehwe na omo atu ho anamon se BBC ene ne ekoso bia nso no ombe update ana omode ne akoso ebema Ghana for. There is only one thing I want to emphasize and not pain. Sir, ubia and say you will protect yourself. Now be born ho ban. Ghana for more South Africa, more Facebook page, more friend, more share. Any Ghana ni our South Africa. Pacho, wait me a reach here through our WhatsApp page. WhatsApp, Pacho, only Ghanaian communities are